नाउ दिस इज सॉल्यूशन. चैप्टर का नाम क्या है? सॉल्यूशन. एंड इन केस ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, टॉपिक नंबर 2.4, so vapor pressure of liquid solution. In case of vapor pressure of liquid solution, topic 2.4 is completed. 2.4.1 means vapor pressure of liquid solution. Clear? Then 2.4.2, Raoult's law, it is also completed. Raoult's law is a special case of Henry's law. It is also completed. Now we will discuss here vapor pressure of solution, solid liquid solution. Here we will discuss vapor pressure of solid liquid solution. Clear? So now another important class of solution consists of solid dissolving liquid. Here we will discuss formation of solution in which solid dissolve in liquid. For example, NaCl, glucose, urea and cane sugar. NaCl, glucose, urea and cane sugar in water and iodine and sulfur dissolve in CH2. Clear? For example, NaCl, glucose, urea and cane sugar inside water and iodine and sulfur dissolve in carbon disulfide. Clear? Some physical property of these solutions are quite different from those of the pure solvent. Clear? Some physical properties of this solution, which is prepared here, are quite different as compared to individual condition. And out of that, here one of the most important property is vapor pressure. So this is, we can say that here is vapor pressure. So what is vapor pressure? So pressure which is related with respect to vapor of any material, it is only known as vapor pressure. Clear? Pressure related with respect to any, pressure related with respect to any vapor of particular liquid, it is only known as vapor pressure. Clear? So now liquid at a given temperature vaporize, and under equilibrium condition the pressure exerted by vapor of liquid over the liquid phase is called vapor pressure. So this is definition of vapor pressure. So liquid at a given temperature vaporizes under equilibrium condition. The pressure exerted by vapor of liquid over the liquid phase is known as vapor pressure. Clear? In the pure liquid, the entire surface is occupied by the molecules of liquid only. If your liquid is pure, then entire surface is occupied by molecules of liquid. So this is figure. This is pure solvent and this is closed container. Here all material is related with respect to pure solvent. Clear? Now if a non-volatile solute is added, to a solvent to give solution, the vapor pressure of the solution is solely from the solvent alone. मतलब see, if we are preparing solution, then vapor pressure is always related with respect to solvent. देखो ये क्या है? तो this one is solution and this one is solute plus solvent. So vapor pressure is always related with respect to solvent. If non-volatile solute is added to a solvent to give solution, the vapor pressure of solution is solely from the solvent alone. Here we can say that solvent alone. So this vapor pressure of solution at a given temperature is found to be lower than the vapor pressure of the pure solvent at the same temperature. Clear? Again I am repeating. If a non-volatile solute, ये solute क्या है? So this one is, we can say that non-volatile. If a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent to give a solution, the vapor pressure of the solution is solely from the solvent alone. This vapor pressure of solution at a given temperature is found to be lower than the vapor pressure of pure solvent at the same temperature. It means if we are adding non-volatile solute inside suitable solvent, then vapor pressure of solution will decreases. So here figure 2 is there. Clear? Here red one represents solvent and green one represents solute. So due to presence of non-volatile solute, here vapor pressure of solution will decreases, or vapor pressure of solution is less as compared to individual pure solvent. Clear? Now in the solution, the surfaces both solute and solvent molecule. In the solution, the surfaces both solute and solvent molecule, thereby the fraction of surface covered by solvent molecule get reduced. Clear? In the solution, surfaces both solute and solvent molecule, thereby the fraction of surface covered by solvent molecule get reduced. देख पहले क्या होता है, प्योर सॉल्वेंट होता है, बट इफ यू आर एडिंग हियर मींस सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल, then surface of pure solvent will decreases. So due to presence of solute particle only. Clear? And due to that, the number of solvent molecule escaping from the surface is correspondingly reduced, and thus the vapor pressure is also reduced here. So due to this, here we can say that vapor pressure will be reduced. If only solvent is there, then vapor pressure will be more. But if you are taking here means solute particle which is non-volatile, so due to that here vapor pressure of solution will decreases. Now the decrease in the vapor of solvent depends on quantity of non-volatile solute present in the solution, irrespective its nature. Clear? मतलब whatever vapor pressure of solution will decreases, so this is related with respect to amount of solute particle. The decrease in vapor pressure of solvent depends on the quantity of non-volatile solute present in the solution, irrespective of its nature. For example, decrease in vapor pressure of water by adding 1 mole of sucrose to 1 kilogram of water is nearly similar to that produced by adding 1 mole of urea. This one is sucrose and this one is urea. So this is urea and this one is sucrose to the same quantity of water at same temperature. Clear? Again, for example, decrease in vapor pressure of water by adding 1 mole of sucrose to 1 kilogram water is nearly similar to the produced by adding 1 mole of urea to the same quantity of water at same temperature. इसका मतलब vapor pressure of sugar solution is equal to vapor pressure of urea solution. Clear? And formula of urea. So formula of urea will be C NH2CO NH2. And sugar, so here we can say that C12, here C12H22O11 will be there. Clear? So this is complete information of concept of vapor pressure. You have to remember one thing, vapor pressure of pure solvent will be always maximum. Vapor pressure of pure solvent will be always maximum. Clear? Now here we will give relationship or statement of Raoult's law. In case of Raoult's law, for any solution, the partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. Clear? For any solution, the partial vapor pressure of each volatile component in the solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. Now we are discussing here binary solution. In binary solution, let us denote the solvent by 1 and solute by 2 when the solute is non-volatile. If solute is non-volatile, only the solvent molecules are present in vapor phase and contribute to vapor pressure. Clear? In a binary solution, let us denote the solvent by 1 and solute by 2 when the solute is non-volatile. If solute is non-volatile, then only the solvent molecule are present in vapor phase and contribute to vapor pressure. Clear? Now let we can say that P be the vapor pressure of solvent and Chi1 be its mole fraction and P10 be its vapor pressure in pure state. Then according to Raoult's law, P1 is directly proportional to Chi1. जैसे proportionality symbol जाएगा P1 is equal to Chi1 into P10 is there. So now proportionality constant is equal to the vapor pressure of pure solvent represented with the help of P10. A plot between vapor pressure and mole fraction of solvent is linear, which is represented here. This is vapor pressure, mole fraction. This one is 0 and this one is 1. So this will represent vapor pressure of pure solvent. So ultimately we can say that vapor pressure is related with respect to liquid only. Correct? And vapor pressure of solvent will be always maximum. And if we are adding solute particle, then vapor pressure of material may be either increase or decrease, which depends upon, here we can say that, nature of solute particle. Now same, this is, now we will discuss here solution. So on the basis of Raoult's law, two different type of solutions are ideal as well as non-ideal. Here we will discuss ideal as well as non-ideal solution. So now here I am discussing comparison between ideal and non-ideal. So what is ideal solution? So which will obey Raoult's law. The solution which will obey Raoult's law, it is normally known as ideal solution. Clear? So now ideal solution, here we can say that solution which obey Raoult's law, entire range of concentration are known as ideal solution. The solution which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration are known as ideal solution. The ideal solution have two other important properties. The ideal solution have two other important properties. Here we can say that enthalpy H, enthalpy of mixing of the pure component to form the solution is 0, and volume of mixing is also 0. Enthalpy as well as we can say that volume is also we can say that 0. It means delta H and delta V is equal to 0. Delta H and delta V is equal to 0. It means that no heat is absorbed or evolved. No heat is absorbed or evolved when the components are mixed. Also the volume of solution would be equal to the sum of volume of two components. Volume of solution would be equal to the sum of volume of two components. At molecular level, ideal behavior of the solution can be explained by considering two components A and then after B. Clear? At molecular level, here we can say that at molecular level, ideal behavior of the solution can be explained by considering two components A and B. Suppose if you are interested to explain ideal solution, and at molecular level if you are interested to explain, then here we are taking two component A as well as B is there. Clear? Now in pure component, suppose if your component is pure, the intermolecular attractive interaction will be type AA and BB, whereas in binary solution, in addition to these two interaction AB, here we can say that AB type of interaction will also be present. Clear? In pure component, the intermolecular attraction interactive will be of type AA and BB, whereas in the binary, यदि pure है तो, और binary का मतलब होता है mixing. In case of binary, तो binary solution in addition to these two interaction, AB type of interaction will also be present. नहीं यदि इंडिविजुअल है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन बाइनरी है, here we can say that what will happen, some changes are there. इंडिविजुअल में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बाइनरी में some changes are there. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? If the intermolecular attractive forces, if the intermolecular attractive forces between the AA and BB are nearly equal to those between AB, this lead to the formation of ideal solution. Clear? A perfectly ideal solution is rare, but some solutions are nearly ideal in behavior. And that type of means examples are normal hexane and normal heptane, bromoethane and chloroethane, benzene and toluene. Clear? Benzene as well as we can say that toluene is there. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? If the intermolecular attractive forces between the AA and BB are nearly equal to those between AB. देखो जैसे ये AA है और ये BB है और ये क्या है? AB है. Clear? यहाँ क्या बोला? If the intermolecular attractive forces between the AA and BB are nearly equal to those between AB, so this leads to the formation of ideal solution. A perfectly ideal solution is rare, but some solutions are nearly ideal in behavior. उसमें normal hexane, normal heptane, bromoethane, chloroethane, and benzene and toluene will come. So this is complete information of ideal solution. In another way, we can say that ideal solution is that solution which will obey Raoult's law. Ideal solution is that solution which will obey Raoult's law. It is normally known as ideal solution. Clear? So now we will discuss here non-ideal. So non-ideal मतलब solution which does not obey Raoult's law. तो देखो, when a solution does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration, then it is called non-ideal solution. Clear? So when a solution does not obey Raoult's law over the entire range, here we can entire range of concentration, then it is called non-ideal solution. The vapor pressure of such solution is either higher or we can say that lower than that predicted by Raoult's law. Clear? If it is higher, मतलब whatever vapor pressure is there, it may be either lower or we can say higher. If it is higher, the solution exhibit positive deviation, and if it is lower, then solution exhibit negative deviation from Raoult's law. Clear? The plot of vapor pressure as a function of mole fraction for such solutions are shown in figure this one. तो देखो ये क्या है? ग्रीन वाला लाइन है, इसके ऊपर वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, तो दिस इज नॉर्मली नोन एज पॉजिटिव and this one is again means negative deviation. Clear? The cause for this deviation lie in the nature of interaction, at the molecular level. In case of positive deviation from Raoult's law, AB interaction are weaker than those of AA or BB. देखिए AA, BB और ये AB है ना? Again here AB interactions are weaker than those between AA or BB. That is, in this case the intermolecular attractive force between the solute-solvent molecule are weaker than those between the solute and solvent molecule. So this means that such solution or molecules of A or B will find it easier to step than in pure state. So this will increase the vapor pressure and result in positive deviation. The example of positive deviations are ethanol and acetone. Ethanol as well as acetone, and carbon disulfide and acetone will be there. Carbon disulfide and we can say that acetone will be there. Clear? So this is comparison. So this one is comparison between ideal and non-ideal solution. So ideal मतलब which will obey Raoult's law. Non-ideal मतलब which does not obey Raoult's law. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? In case of C, here means at molecular level. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? Here C. तो यहाँ पे ideal solution में. देख A मतलब ये कोई एलिमेंट है, ये भी कोई एलिमेंट है. रिएक्टेंट साइड किसका वेपर प्रेशर प्रोडक्ट के वेपर प्रेशर के क्लोज होता है या इक्वल होता है, और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट मे बी आइदर मोर एज कंपेयर टू प्रोडक्ट और वी कैन से दैट लेस. So on the basis of its vapor pressure, here two different type of solution will come, either positive or we can say that negative. The example of ideal solution: normal hexane, normal heptane, bromoethane, chloroethane, benzene as well as toluene, and here means ethanol, acetone. Here carbon disulfide and acetone will be there. Clear? So this is complete information.